Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. So one of the giveaways that I do every month is an eyeshadow palette giveaway. And I normally at this point in the video show you what it is. And I know that there is an eyeshadow palette in here, so that is going to be our eyeshadow palette that we're going to give away for the month of December, and I'll tell you what you need to do to enter it later on in this video. I do have some other giveaways going on as well. I'll put all that information in the description box down below. One of the big ones that I've got going on right now is I'm giving away one of the Tati Beauty palettes. Got the look on right now, and I will put that link as well in the description box down below. So today we are talking FabFitFun. I love FabFitFun. They have beauty, they have lifestyle, they have makeup, they have skincare, they have hair care, everything a girl needs. So FabFitFun is $49 a quarter. They ship out seasonally, so this is the winter box. In between, they do have some edit sales that you can get stuff off of. If you do sign up for a year in advance, then they discount that $49 price. So that's what I do. And you also have more customization. You have more choices when you sign up for a year as well. They also have what add-ons to each sale. They have like a mystery bundle that I normally get, and I've got that one, and I will be doing that unboxing next. The other, I'm gonna set this down, it's kind of heavy. The other item that I did pick up in the add-on sale. Add-on sales, guys, you can get stuff crazy discounted price. So what I paid for like $25 for this set is normally $80, okay? So what I picked up was a Teamy Detox Starter Pack. And I've had their skinny teas before. So what it is you can reset and refresh and transform in 30 days. Our 100% all natural detox program is easy to add into your daily routine. Ready to kickstart your healthy lifestyle? We believe that maintaining a healthy gut is vital in living your happiest, healthiest life. Feeling your best truly starts from within, and why we created a 100% natural plant-based detoxifying cleanse. The Teamy Starter Pack is everything you need to succeed in your journey. The purpose of the 30-day detox program is to naturally help cleanse, reset, and refresh your body in just 2 easy steps. 1, drink your Teamy Skinny Tea every morning. And this is the one I've tried before. I really like it. And then this 2 is drink your Teamy Colon every other night before bed. The program is perfect for everyone's lifestyle, no matter where you are in your current wellness journey. Our blends are created with the highest quality premium loose leaf tea and lots of love to help get you best results. So the packet includes the Teamy Skinny Teamy Colon, a calendar so you can mark off, so you remember when to do, because this colon one you only want to do every other day, so this will help you with that. It also includes a tumbler, and then you'll also has an infuser. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do an update for you guys after 30 days. And then the other item I kind of picked up, you kind of do it as an add-on, and it didn't cost anything, so I'm super excited to try this. This is a Giovanni Eco Chic Hair Care Tea Tree Triple Treat Invigorating Shampoo for all types, and it's obviously, you know, full size. So excited to try this. So I did want to tell you guys 2 things about this box as well. Firstly, between now and December 2nd, so you only have like 2 days to do this if this is what you want to do. You can use, when you sign up for this, you can use the code FREEMINI, and what that's going to do is going to get you a free mini box valued at $150 with the purchase of your first box for only $49, so you don't have to sign up for the year or anything like that. So that's a really good deal. If you guys wait a little bit and miss out on that deal, I can get you guys $10 off your first box. If you use my code, it's kind of an affiliate link. It helps you out, it helps me out. And that link is in the description box down below as well. So let's dive in here and see what we got for the winter 2019 box. There is a HelloFresh $90 gift card. Have you guys used HelloFresh? I'm thinking about it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have used it or not. So every season, FabFitFun partners with a nonprofit. And then this time they have collabed with the Women's Alzheimer's Movement. I love it. I have Alzheimer's in my family, so I really, really like that. You know, it's kind of got a really cool kind of magazine on here. Has all sorts of different articles. Has recipes. And I love that. Look how gorgeous Shriver is for working with that nonprofit. You know, the magazine also talks about the different products and what your choices were. So in every box, there are 2 products that are exact same in every single one of the boxes. Select members are members that go and purchase it a year in advance. You have early access to the sales, as well as you have more customization in your boxes versus FabFitFun just picking the product for you. And then all members have a choice of 3 of the 8 products. So all members have a choice of 3 of the products. Your select members have an additional choice of 2 of them. And then everybody gets the same thing for another 2. So for your first choice, you could have got the Kate Sommerville Goat Milk, retails for $65. The Unhide Little Marshmallow Faux Fur Blanket. I think Unhide Ellen DeGeneres, that's her brand. And then the RCO Television Perfecting Hair Shampoo and Conditioner retails for $64. The Jonathan Adler Fluid Ceramic Candle retails for $48. Or finally, the Rebecca Minkoff Marble Beanie and Arm Warmer Set retails for $70. So I chose the Kate Sommerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream made with lactose from goat's milk, jojoba, and avocado. This gentle formula instantly absorbs into the skin for a healthy glow. I haven't tried like a goat milk before, so that kind of intrigued me, so I'm excited to try this one out. Your second choice was either LashesMD Eyelash Conditioner. So that first choice anybody could pick from. The second choice was also a all members choice. And you could have either gotten the LashesMD Eyelash Conditioner for $69.95, the PJ Solvak Faux Trim Cable Slippers for $45, the Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Mask for $48, the Bandu Bluetooth Shower Speaker for $30, and I chose, because I love doing a lash serum, I did choose the LashesMD Eyelash Conditioner. I've tried a couple of them out, and I've had the best luck with New Lash, but I am excited to try this one and see how it kind of compares. So it says your lashes and brows deserve some TLC. The signature formula rejuvenates and moisturizes with amino acids, peptides, and vitamins. I not good at putting on the fake lashes, so that's why I like doing ones like this instead. So your third choice is you could have gotten the Battle Long Lashes Monroe 3D Silk Lashes and Glue Kit for $32. The Karuna Face for All Face and Mask Set, which retails for $42, or the Radial Soft Focus Glow Drops retailing for $55. I chose the Karuna Face for All Face and Eye Mask Set. From Anti-Oxidants to Anti-Aging Defying Face Masks, here is a renewing eye mask that is set addresses all your skin concerns. So you guys get a lot of masks in here, which is why I got it. If you don't know, I do a masking review series here on this channel where I try on different masks and let you know what I think. So be on the lookout for all of these in an upcoming series that I do. So you have the Clarifying Face Mask, the Brightening Face Mask, Anti-Oxidant Face Mask, Age Defying Face Mask, Hydrating Face Mask, Exfoliating Face Mask, and the Renewal Eye Mask. So you got a lot in here, so that's why I picked that, and because I do the masking review series on this channel. So select members could have chose between these next ones, or FabFitFun would have picked for you. They could have chose the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding Palette, retails for $38. The LXMI Pure Nautical Melt retails for $28. The Vu Ray Sidekick Crossbody Bag retailing for $17.99, or the Paper Source 12-month Rose Floral Planner retailing for $27.95. And I chose the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding Eyeshadow Palette. So here's what this looks like. You have your rice pudding here. I love rice pudding. That's a matte. You have the chia pudding, which is a metallic. Bread pudding, which is a matte. Butterscotched, which is this metallic here. Spiced caramel is a really pretty metallic. Mango pudding is a matte. Nana pudding is a matte. Warm cocoa is a matte, and this is gorgeous, this almond jelly, love it. So this is the December palette that we're going to be giving away. So I will tell you later on what you need to do to enter this. So your next choices was also only for select members. You had the Ahava Salt Bag for $16. The Frank and Body Original Coffee Scrub for $16.95, or the Veramona Color Switch Solo for $16.99. I chose the color switch. I wanted one of these. But when you're doing, so what this is super good for is, you know, you're doing eyeshadow color and you've got one color, but you want to do another one on your inner eye or your center lid. You can swirl it around in here. It'll take that pigment and the makeup off, and then you can use that same brush. Instead of having to go and clean it, you can use that same brush to dip in for the other colors. So this is Easily switch between your favorite shades while applying makeup with an instant brush cleaner. No water or liquids required. Here's what this looks like. So here's your tin. And just swirl it around in here. And it just takes off the makeup off. If this starts to get gunky, you guys, you can just take this out and wash it. And that's it, and it's good to go. Pop it right back in again. Love it. I can't wait to start using this. So the editors from FabFitFun got to pick this next choice for you. You could have got the Incredible Nails Ink Thirsty Hand Mask Duo retailing for $16, or the Cocoa Somatology Calm Cleanse and Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. And they chose for me the hand and body wash. This one does retail for $39.95. Hands are looking kind of great. Yucky, I could have used. I think I personally would have picked the hand mask, but that's just me. So in everybody's box is Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamin B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat up to 450 degrees and leave hair soft and conditioned. I need all the detangling I can get. Normally my hair is super kinky and super girly. I just kind of straightened it out for this thing that I'm going to tonight. But yeah, so perfect for me. So this does retail for $23. The last one in here, I do have a smaller version, but I don't have the full size, is the Makeup Eraser in Original Pink. From waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water, so you don't have to use anything if you don't want to. I normally always use a cleanser as well. I mean, look at the size of this thing. It's huge. My tip for this, wash it first. You don't get all fuzzies all over your face. So this retails for $20. So what did you guys think? I think it was a really great box. This is one of my favorite boxes from them. I got some amazing stuff. What did you guys think? Did you guys get different stuff? Let me know in the comments down below. So how to enter this? I do all my giveaways using a Google form, and I'll put that down below. You just put your information in. It's completely secure. As soon as the giveaway is over, I will go ahead and delete it. And the reason why I use Google Forms is that when I notify you that you have won on just the comments down below, a lot of times you guys aren't getting that notification. So this helps me just send it out right away. I'll do a random number picker. So you need to fill that out and be a subscriber to my channel. I do check. I can't tell you how many times people have won giveaways, and then I go to look and see if they're subscribed, and they're not. So then I automatically go on to the next person. You must be over 18 years old to enter this giveaway. Hit and also like this video. YouTube is in no way affiliated with this giveaway. This giveaway will go through the month of December, so January 1st, I'll go ahead and pick the winner and send it on out. If you want an extra bonus entry, follow me over on Instagram. My handle is beautyamab, AMA, and the letter B. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It's the only way to enter this giveaway is to be a subscriber. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.